Hey YouTubers, this is Justin Shelton here with Mayberry Mini Trucks. It is January the 10th and I've got two lovely customers here. Y'all introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Jason Hotelling, and this is my wife Allison.
Yeah. Okay, so what brought y'all here? And I know I hit y'all just in the blinds, but what brought y'all here and how was the process?
So I am gardening and I need a little truck to help me get compost and mulch and things like that from one place to another, and I don't have any other vehicle to do that, so I wanted something I could put around in town. And I just figured that this would be the best situation for me because I can get in it, I can drive it by myself, I don't have to worry about anything, and I can get done what I need to get done.
Awesome.
And I can fit through my garden gate with a mini truck, and I can tow all the mulch from one place to another with the least amount of work. So we were looking on Marketplace, and there was a lot of different trucks out there, and nothing felt less than shady.
Okay, yeah, I understand.
So when we saw you guys, and most of the trucks came back to you guys as well, like, hey, we know, and I joined a group, there's Mayberry Mini Trucks, go up there, check them. So we found a Saturday and came see you.
Okay, awesome. And I will tell a little joke here. We just jumped in this truck and I put you in the driver's seat, didn't I?
Yes, right away.
Right away. I said, we're not playing around. I said, we're going to go up here, get outside of your husband, and I'm going to show you how to drive us, and then you go pick him up.
And
So,
I did.
Yep, that's right. So they got a Mitsubishi here with a high and low transmission with AC and 20,000 miles.
Yes.
And was there anything, did you think of any brand you was coming for particular?
No, I just had what I wanted to do in mind and the kind of truck I wanted to meet my needs, and you helped me find the exact one that fit our budget and fit our needs as well. So it made it really easy.
You're the most favorite customers I like. You're down to earth and everything, but not even that. It's that you come here not knowing more than us. There's a lot of people that come here that say, well, this truck's what I want. Well, you know, that truck probably is not for your needs, and I appreciate that. That's really easy when you're, and I can be open and honest with you and say, hey, that high and low, that was a necessity. Yeah. I mean, yeah. you would want that. But so how was the paperwork process with my lovely wife, Hannah?
I was like, okay, and she said ding ding ding, and I said all right, and I hit the button and it was done.
I think y'all been here like what, 30 minutes? We've been in the rain, but
yeah,
it's been a very painless process.
Yeah, it was very nice. Everybody was easy to work with, and we had a lot of fun.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your business. Thank you. And do you want to mention your garden or stuff or
not yet? I don't even have all the paperwork finalized.
Okay.
We're in the process.
She's in the process.
Yeah.
We'll mention you later on. Thank you all for watching.